our art friends. Today in Kitty Kanjo, we are going to learn how to draw Bingo dressed as a mummy. So let's start drawing. First, draw an oval shape for the eye. And the smaller one inside, then color it. Draw a horizontal line coming out from the side of the eye, then going down and to the left, ending with a small curve to make the parts around the nose and the smiley mouth. Draw the other eye similarly. Just make it partially hidden behind the nose part. Draw a triangular shape for the nose. We color it, leaving a white spot to show light reflection. Draw a rectangular shape with rounded corners for the body. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Instead of drawing the side of the top, we're going to draw the ears by making two upside down letter V's. Then connect them together in the middle. Draw two lines coming down from the bottom of the body to make the leg. Then finish the leg with the paw and two small curves to make the toe. Decorate the leg with a line in the middle. Repeat the same steps to make the other leg. To make the tail, draw two curved lines coming out from the side of the body, then close them with a curved zigzag. Then decorate the tail with a line in the middle and a half circle. To make the arm, draw two small lines coming out from the right side of the body, then draw a vertical line connecting them. Finish the arm by drawing the hand with tiny fingers. For the other arm, draw two longer lines under the mouth. Then draw a vertical line connecting them. And finish the arm by drawing the hand with tiny fingers. Now we are going to decorate Bingo with the mummy bandages all over her body, arms, and ears. Feel free to pause the video at any time to be able to follow along. Well done! Now you can draw Bingo dressed as a mummy. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.